Hi guys, this is NoRule79 Captures and welcome to my another video. Today what I'm going to show you is how to clean a pot or a pan. First of all, let me tell you, this is not one of those videos wherein I'm gonna take utensil like this and once it's done I'm gonna probably edit it or do something and then show you a brand new product. Let me tell you, we're gonna try to clean it, but I know precisely it's not gonna get clean in the very first go. This is a process which you'll have to do probably maybe 5 or 6 times till the time you can see like it completely white or let's say completely clean. So you'll have to keep on doing it again and again. But for now we can start it. And for example, I'm gonna show you this. That's the inner side. This is like pretty white in here. And that from the outer side, although it does look from some parts it has started to clean off, but it'll happen eventually. It will happen. So all right, so let me tell you how we're gonna do it. And this is probably just a 5-minute process which you can do it, but it'll need another 5 minutes for the product to be rested. I've made this paste. This is basically your detergent or laundry powder, toothpaste and bicarb of soda, so soda bicarbonate together mixed into it. And what I'm gonna do in here is I'm gonna add about 2 or 3 drops of the lemon juice. Do not do it before. This mixture has to rest for about 5 minutes, but that thing has to go. So lemon and white wine vinegar, these 2 things have to go right at the point wherein you're gonna start the cleaning. Reason being, that's the chemical process, and if you keep that for a long while, it's gonna react in a way that it's gonna lose its essence or the effect of it. So let's go. A few drops of lemon juice and all right. Maybe I'll do it in like, yeah. So that's it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna thoroughly mix it. Mix it. Mix it in a way that there are some bubbles rising into it, and then just start pouring onto it. And we keep on doing that way. And now what we're gonna need is a scorer. This is a jute scorer. You can take any scorer whichever you want. I'm gonna show you from this way. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna rub it on the top. So being a chef, for let's say otherwise as well, in your homes as well, you obviously end up with some things wherein you burn something and then the scars, they just remain. Just in order to clean those things, this process has to be repeated time and again. Just remember that this would not go in the very first go, but if you keep on doing the same thing time and again, maybe after 2 or 3 days, it'll eventually start getting clean. And then if you maintain the same process, maybe after like couple of days, it's gonna stay. So I'm already seeing that some of the scuffs are going. It basically depends how hard you rub it. I'm gonna pour a bit more on here. So once again, I'm gonna tell you that this is just laundry powder, soda bicarbonate and toothpaste. Toothpaste, white toothpaste, basically anything, maybe Colgate or anything else, or it'll be whatever, is gonna act. Toothpaste generally is toothpaste and your ketchup. These are very good steel or utensil cleaning agents, and they are probably natural, or maybe not the toothpaste, but yes, your ketchup is definitely quite natural. So it's regular thing which you paste, everybody uses every day, and you do the same process inside as well. We pour another thing, all of that in here, and then we start rubbing. I can definitely say that the level of the product being burnt has reduced. I can't say it's drastically reduced, but it has. I can obviously see that, and you might be able to notice the same as well. But as I said, this process is going to happen. So if you guys can see over here, it's quite white from inside and from here as well. The things have reduced. So it'll basically, you'll have to keep on doing it time and again, and this is gonna work. I would say thank you so much for watching my videos and keep subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. No Rule 79 captures. Bye guys.